Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Python plugin Analyze Editors, I'm going to show you yet another amazing Python plugin that gives you even more insight into your documents. The Analyze Editors Python plugin is available from the Python Plugins store. I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, and choose Plugin Store. And at the top of the list, if you're in alphabetical order, is Analyze Editors. And you see that this one says that it needs to run as a utility. It's not going to add any buttons, commands, or macros. This is something you simply ask to happen. And when you do, it's going to generate a notepad or TXT file document that shows you a breakdown of all of the different types of text in your document. And we see at the end here that it stores that report in a file with the same name as the job, -ed-report. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Analyze Editors plugin. And if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, Analyze Editors is here. And since this is a utility plugin, it's not one that I want to enable. If I enable this plugin, that will cause it to try to run every time I open Eclipse. The next step is to open a document. Since this is a utility plugin, it's actually run on a document, and so you need to have a document open. I'll go to Support, Plugins, and Manage Plugins. When I choose Analyze Editors, I can now hit the Run button, and Eclipse produces the report for me. At the top, you see that it is indeed the same name as my document, -ed-report. It tells me how many characters are in the document, how many characters have been edited, the percentage of the document that's been edited, how much of the document was regular translated text, and then it breaks down how much of the document was each user type of text. And so here I have 4% text that I typed in as the user, and all of the other text types are lower. So all of my different scopists and proofreaders could be represented by different text types. Additionally, user 8 is used for boost flow, and user 7 is used for boost. And so if you use either of those features, you can see how much of your document was modified by either feature. Additionally, it will tell you which pages the text modified by each user type appears. So if you want to see all of the different pages that boost or boost flow impacted, you can pay attention to just the pages where user 7 and user 8 were listed. And it also tells you what percentage of the total pages that text appears on. And so you see that for translated text, that appears on 100% of my pages. Text that I typed in appears on 88% of my pages. And all of the other user-defined text types are all represented in the same way. You can use this report to see the status of your document and how much and where each of your teammates has done any work editing the document. And again, don't forget that this plugin is a utility. That means that you just go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, select Analyze Editors, and hit Run. Don't use the Enable button. Once it's finished processing, you'll get your report. And you see that report also appears in the File Manager, so that you can access it anytime you need to. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.